Hey guys, so these are some of the best 5G rugged tablets released in 2024, and of course these tablets would likely be among the best 5G rugged feature-packed tablets of 2025 as well. So without further ado, let's quickly mention and explore them. Ulefone actually announced the Pad 4 series a few weeks ago. The series consists of the Pad 4 Ultra and the Pad 4 Ultra thermal version. The thermal version, of course, is a little bit expensive than the Pad 4 Ultra, but both tablets are 5G rugged tablets, and of course they are equipped with some nice features and specs. They're perfect for nighttime adventurers, they're perfect for construction workers, campers, and so on. I also need to point out that the only difference between the Pad 4 Ultra and the thermal version is, the thermal version has a thermal sensor, okay, while the Pad 4 Ultra, the standard version, doesn't have a thermal sensor. That's the only difference between both 5G rugged tablets. Every other specs of both devices are the same, the exact same. And of course, these tablets support dock charging as well, which is nice. 10 watts dock charging. Now the dock charger is sold separately, you need to have that in mind. But yeah, they support dock charging as well. They also support reverse wire charging, which is nice. And this wouldn't be a problem because the tablets are equipped with a really large battery capacity. Anyway, let's explore the top features of the Ulefone Pad 4 series. Both devices are backed by an 11,000 mAh battery, and they both support 33 watts fast charging as well as 10 watts dock charging. They both feature a really bright, versatile LED light at the back, also called a camping light, perfect for nighttime outdoor enthusiasts. And they have a 10.36-inch 2K display. The Dimensity 6300 handles performance, which is nice, and they both have 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. And as for optics, they both feature a 50MP main camera, and as I mentioned earlier, one of the two models has a thermal camera, and that is the thermal version. The front-facing camera of both devices is 32MP. Both devices are IP68 and IP69K compliant, and they are both military grade standard 810H certified. They also ship with the latest Android 14. Other features include NFC, face unlock, a USmart expansion connector, GPS, OTG, and many more, guys. So these are the top features of both devices. Anyway, Pad is not your average tablet. It's a ruggedized powerhouse designed to withstand the harshest conditions. With its IP68 and IP69K ratings, it's dustproof, waterproof, and shockproof. The military grade standard 810H certification ensures it can handle extreme temperatures, vibrations, and drops. Under the hood, the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor delivers impressive performance for smooth multitasking and demanding tasks. The 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage provide ample space for apps, files, and media. The device also has a large 21,000 mAh battery with 66 watts fast charging that ensures you're always connected even on long work days. The device features a 10.95-inch Full HD Plus IPS 120Hz display that is expected to offer vibrant colors and smooth visuals, which is perfect for work or entertainment. In terms of optics, the phone features a single 50MP rear camera and a 16MP selfie camera, which is capable of capturing high-quality photos and videos. The device also has a stereo sound system that's expected to deliver immersive audio. At the back of the tank pad is a bright LED light. The device also supports NFC, Wi-Fi 6, GPS, and other features, which makes it a versatile tool for various applications. And because the phone has a bright LED light at its rear, it is perfect for nighttime adventurers. So whether you're working on a construction site, exploring the outdoors, or simply need a reliable tablet for daily use, the tank pad would likely be up to the task. So these are just some of the top features of the tank pad. As I mentioned earlier, it's a $799 tablet. It's not cheap, it's quite expensive. But what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. The device has a thickness of 19.5 millimeters and it weighs 1,214 grams. So the device is actually built like a fortress. The phone is also rated IP68 and IP69K, which means it's dustproof, waterproof, and shockproof. And with military grade standard 810H certification, it can withstand extreme temperatures, drops, and vibrations. The device is also offered in 2 colorways, including black and orange. The phone has a 10.95-inch Full HD Plus IPS display, and the display is protected with the Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It has a 90Hz refresh rate that ensures smooth scrolling and responsive touch. The device also supports Widevine L1, which means you can stream high-quality content from your favorite streaming platforms, including Hulu, Netflix, and so on. It's also stylus-friendly, so you can sketch, take notes, or edit documents with precision. Under the hood, the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 octa-core processor, clocked at up to 2.5 GHz, delivers impressive performance. Paired with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, you have plenty of power and space for all your apps and files. You can even expand the storage up to 2 TB with a micro SD card. Now let's talk about its camera capabilities. The camera setup is a standout feature. The phone features a 50MP front camera with a Samsung ISOCELL GN1 sensor. On the back, you have a 108MP main camera with a Samsung ISOCELL HM6 sensor for stunning photos and a 20MP night vision camera for clear low light shots. The device also supports up to 4K video recording, which is nice. So in terms of battery life, the device packs a massive 30,000 mAh battery. This makes the device a monster. It can easily last for days according to the brand on a single charge, making it ideal for long trips or outdoor adventures. And with 55 watts fast charging, you can quickly top up the battery when needed. So additional features of the Blackview Active 10 Pro includes dual speakers for immersive audio, GPS and other essential navigation systems, NFC for contactless payments, Wi-Fi 6 for fast connectivity, and Bluetooth 5.4 for seamless device pairing. It also supports glove mode, so you can use it even in cold weather. So these are the top features of the Blackview Active 10 Pro. It's a truly feature-packed rugged tablet. It's expected to be durable, powerful, and feature-rich. The device may be suitable for anyone that is looking for a device that can handle the toughest conditions and deliver exceptional performance. It's also perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, professionals, and anyone who needs a reliable and versatile tablet. But these are just my personal opinion, not a recommendation. So what are your thoughts about the Blackview Active 10 Pro? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.